Alright then guys, so starter motor on a Ford Fiesta, not a bad one, nice easy job. There's a bolt in here on the side of the battery box, there's two underneath you've got to get to, so you need to loosen off this battery box which has got 3 bolts. Pull that up and you can get to the 2 mounting points at the bottom. There's 2 bolts at the top and 1 at the bottom, so we'll go into the car, obviously down here, just above the gearbox. 2 bolts up there, 2 temp belts, and just under here. You see up there, just 1 bolt right there for the starter. Which I've already loosened off. Starter should be loose now. See, nice and loose. Already taken the 2 bolts off at the back as well on the starter. Alright, we'll drag it out. There we go guys, new starter installed. You see that you've got 13mm there on the left, and then you've got a 10mm just above that one on the right hand side. Get those on with your new clip, and that's it, all installed. Bye bye. Oh, she's all back together. Winner, winner, winner. Snap on. There we go guys. All sorted. Another one done, another one down, on to the next one. In a bit.